Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. Pretty much by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I refresh my color. I know in my previous videos my hair was just dark brown with very minimal light highlights, but I went in and gave myself a little refresh touch up. So just keep watching so you can see the process. Honestly, I am just so tired of this grown out color. So backstory, I got my hair dyed in October of last year, the end of October of last year. And I initially got it this copper orange color, and it literally lasted for 3 weeks. 3 weeks, it all the color was gone and I was stuck. I'll insert some pictures. It literally bled out within 3 weeks. It bled out to me having just blonde highlights everywhere. So in November, I went back and, they were like, we've never seen this before. We honestly just don't know what happened. And so I went back and the color got put back in my hair, but this time it was more red. It was more red than it was orange. And I wasn't happy, and I'm just okay, I'm just gonna try these other temporary colors to put on top. I don't know if you guys heard of the brand Adore. I've used Sunblaze Orange. I've used all those other colors when I thought my hair was fading, and it would turn it back to this red color. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna let it grow out. And then the blonde, I was hoping that the blonde would come back brighter, but she's not coming back. And so I went to the hair store today, and I'm gonna try the 30 color ginger, and we're just gonna see, what she does. I already washed my hair and things like that. I put it in braids last night because I knew I wanted to do something different. So my hair is clean, but I have this bond repairing mask marinating in my hair. This mask is great for breakage. If your hair is damaged, chemically treated, or anything of the sort, this mask brings life back into your hair. It's called the Bond Support Mask. It has split end mender in it. It's one of my favorite masks. It's so buttery and so hydrating, helps with frizz, literally helps with everything, and you can see a difference after one use. And I'm just going to get started in a second. Make sure you have yourself either a shirt that you don't mind getting dirty or stained. Go and clip this up. And also, I am going to put one on my counter because these, I don't know if it's just these colors, but my counter before stained completely. This towel, let's get into it, shall we? I personally like to have a hair mask on and then apply this on top, and then I'll rinse it out. I'm not a hairstylist. This is just what works for me. Got some gloves because I just hate getting my hands dirty. Now I can give you guys some music officially. could process with heat for up to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes. I'm not gonna use heat. Hopefully it's giving, hopefully. But if not, it is what it is. But fingers crossed, I'll be back. Y'all, honestly, I'm nervous because hopefully it turned out cute. When I was rinsing it out, my nails did kind of turn like orangey, but if you put alcohol on it, it should come right off. So I'll just save that for when I'm done. Let's just rip it off and let's see what we got here. Let's see. It's there. It's there. It's definitely giving copper. I'm excited. I'm excited to style it, actually. Can you guys see? I'm very excited to style. I do want to give a disclaimer, is that in order for these Adore colors to work, your hair has to already have been like processed or like bleached, dyed, whatever. Obviously mine was, because I had gotten my hair dyed before. So your hair has to be processed. At least that's my understanding, I'm pretty sure, because you just can't put it on like your regular hair without having anything done to it, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one when I style.